Here in this video I actually bought a topic about the studying make easy, how to make the study easy. Okay, so first these are the 4 points you need to remember while studying, then only you can able to accomplish your target in any exam you are writing. Okay, first you need to find the study partner is very important to find, because if you find a study partner and you are studying with him, okay, whatever you are studying, you are sharing each other, like I'm studying this topic, let's complete this topic. So there will be a given time, like in this time we will complete a topic, but what you will have, like I will study more than my partner, and your partner will think like I will study more than my partner. So the competition which comes between the two people makes you study more and makes it interesting. Number 2 is choose a perfect spot. Here study spot is very much important, because if you are studying, let us suppose you are studying in the hall in your home, okay, and there other siblings are also available in your hall, and they are doing some other works, like some is listening music and some is doing his work. But what happens, you will get distracted by those activities. That's why you need to choose this perfect study spot. Like you need to take a separate room if you are having in your home, if you're studying in your home, or if you can go to a library, you can study in the library also, because it is having a pin drop silence, like very noise free environment. There you can study. And number 3 is schedule. Study schedule is very much important, because when you will make the study schedule, you can as soon as you complete the target, you are going to tick on that, and that will make you more confidence towards studying, right? So studying, making a schedule and targeting your study will make you more confident as soon as you will complete your target. Okay, so that is why schedule making is very much important. Number 4 is gather the right sources. How to gather the right sources? First you need to see what you are preparing for example, if you're preparing for CPGET, you need to gather the right sources, like you need to gather your previous year papers, and then you need to gather the notes, or else you need to gather the entrance exam books. So this is how you are going to prepare. First you will be going to target the topics, you can see the previous year paper, what topic questions they are asking, then you need to repeat those topic repetition, and then you need to attempt the paper again. So this is how you will make perfect in it. And last thing is repeat whatever you are doing here, you need to repeat the process, then only you will get succeed in the exam preparation. Okay guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel, share my channel with your friends. Thanks for watching.